Hey everyone, just wanted to show you that the Ventura works, and so does the IntelliTouch. As you can see, I have the IntelliTouch wired up here, the W11. Pretty simple wire job. If you're gonna, because I have it just plugged in. The way I do it, well, the way you do it is it's actually really simple. The white and the white on the fan and the white on the cord go together, and then the black on the fan and the black that says LN go together, and then the black from your plug and the black that says lead go together. So I'll demonstrate it here. See if you can see. Move this a little closer. I don't know if it's going to stand up on its own. There we go. Basically, though, power. Speed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then you can reverse it. Cut it off. There's no light, so that does nothing. Demo mode works. There's demo mode. There's no light, so it's not going to do a light function. But I just wanted to make that to show you that the Ventura works. Now, I'm going to pause the video. I have one other thing to show you. I'm back. Here is the W32 control that came with the Victorian, and you can see the difference. This has power here, and then it has a reverse fan light. The question I have for you guys is, this has two wires on it, a black and a black striped. This has 5, a blue, 2 striped black ones, and 2 regular black ones. So how would this differ in terms of wiring in a plug situation like this? Because in my mind, it's the same, other than the blue goes with the black striped. I don't know. You tell me. My other question is, somebody told me that this is a replacement control for the Victorian, and I can see why, because the Victorian and these Venturas are only 2 years apart, so they would still use the W11. Is this going to fuck with the control board on the Victorian if I use a W32 instead of a W11? Okay, those are my questions.